Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about Nether NTR. The shortcut is NTR for Nether token. It's for sure on Binance Smart Chain, and you can buy this token on PancakeSwap, CADX, Probit Global, and LA token. So listed it is quite a lot now for a new token. I mean, this token is listed 4 hours ago. Not even on CoinGecko, and have already 200% in profit. So what makes this token so special? Before I tell you that, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comments what you think about Nether NTR. So let's see on the website, Nether.io website. What is Nether exactly? Join the world's first and largest exchange for personality. What's Nether coin? Well, the Nether coin is the first token that invented the personality exchange. Very interesting. Also on the Nether NFT platform, every influencer or VIP who is listed gets tools to become an NFT artist and turn their content into NFT. Imagine Nether NFT as Instagram, the same, except that to access the content you have to hold at least some tokens of the personality you intend to follow. Okay, imagine that the personality in question creates confidential digital products or services that can only be paid for with his personality token. Let's see further here. They have a small video. I don't want to bore with that. You can look it by yourself. Influencer with the crypto soaring through the sky. Every day we come across assets and cryptocurrencies that are born and then eventually they die. A single tweet from someone influential is enough to send a cryptocurrency soaring through the sky, and the same tweet is enough to bring it down. Oh yeah, that's right. We remember Dogecoin and Elon Musk, right? The one thing that we can take away from this is that those assets or the entire market itself is no more influenced by real facts. Instead, it is influenced by real people, often those who are influential. If the actual value of the asset no longer matters, what it is that actually matters? Measure of property value. The answer is simple. All assets in whatever market they may be found are based on a single supreme asset, that is human personality. So that means we have here an NFT based on human personality. So you cannot buy the personality of someone, but you can buy an NFT of someone famous, right? Here you have a real team behind that, and platforms they will be, or they want to be, for an exchange. Here's their roadmap, but I don't want to look here much deep inside. We have an NFT marketplace. That's how it looks. So you have here Maradona, for example, 60,000 Ether. That means $600,000. This is an example how it have to look, and you can buy this special NFT. Sign up. You can click here on it and sign up for the platform, and for sure the launchpad acts the stepping stone for your journey into the world of NFT. Nether Launchpad helps celebrities, influencers, and everyone else to launch their own NFTs on the Nether NFT marketplace. So that's nice. Creating your own NFT, very simple. That means you as a person can sell a part of your own content on this platform, right? They have a white paper with 37 sites right now. That's a lot. You can read this by yourself, but here's just an example how these NFTs can look, right? How these things can be in future, like a room where you can collect your NFTs, cards, arts. We have here different ways how you can collect NFTs, right? And here's the Telegram group you can sign for. 58,000 members right now and 5,700 online right now. 51,000 followers on Twitter. And 10 members just on Reddit. Okay, Reddit, they don't have much followers right now, but you can say it is a new project, right? So we have here 200% in the last 3-4 hours, and right now it just goes sideways, right? And trading volume is not much right now, but I think the only thing they are not trading volume is right now much is because of the marketing. They have to go deeper in the marketing and expose themselves more on the blockchain sky here, on the place they want to be, on the NFT place, and show up more with their with the people, with the influencers, with the guys who are already on the blockchain, who are already making, maybe like me, a video about the token. Show more up, right? Here are some people already inside the crypto scene, the team members. And yeah, what to say? I mean, what do you think about this idea, making here your own NFT, especially from your own personality NFT, trading that NFT? I mean, it's not the first platform, but it is sure also not the last platform here. And I think why not? Why not try to give celebrities space to sell their own NFT, right? But first, this celebrities have to know it, right? So what do you think about this project, Nether token, NTR? What do you think? What's the price prediction? You think it goes another 200% up or not? Write it down into the comments. I would like to read more about this token, and maybe subscribe to the channel and leave me a like if you like that video. And until next video, I say I wish you nice profits on the blockchain sky, and see you later, alligator. Bye.